Hey, I'm Bob Duncan from Bob Duncan's Go Fast Multisport, and Saturday, February 18th, one day only, noon to 8 p.m. That's Saturday, February 18th, noon to 8 p.m. We're going to have the Ultra Mega Gnarly Sale. You're saying, but I don't need anything. I'm saying you do. You want to be fast? You need wheels. We've got wheels. We've got wheels from Reynolds. We've got these babies are going to be 25% off. That's right. You save 25%. Real carbon fiber, people. These things are light. They're stiff. They're fast. You need them. You can get them Saturday, February 18th from noon until 8. But you need rubber too. Rubber, we've got tens, no hundreds, maybe thousands of tires. And they're going to be incredibly cheap. These, $71? No way. These guys, $90? Who pays 90 bucks for a tire? How about 50? You don't think we've got enough? Look, I'm telling you people, we've got tires. We've got tubes. That's right, tubes. Buy 3, get 1 free. You can't beat that. Any valve stem length, any size. You want it, we got it. Bob Duncan's Ultra Mega Gnarly Sale at Bob Duncan's Go Fast Multisport. February 18th, Saturday, noon till 8.